Hi guys, it's me again, Cooking with Pouncy. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If it's your first time, thank you for stumbling upon Cooking with Pouncy. If you like what you see, please hit that like button, and I would really appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to my channel if you like what you see, and tell me what you think as well. This evening I'm going to cheat. As in quick meal, very quick, cheating because I'm not doing it from scratch. We were hungry for some tacos tonight, so we're gonna make some tacos. Rather than running out to some local taco shop, we're gonna make some that we bought prepackaged stuff. You guys have seen them before. So we're gonna put those tacos together tonight for you. And it's, as I said, it's a very quick meal. We're hungry for tacos, and that's what we're gonna do tonight, guys. So again, stay tuned a little bit, and I'll be back shortly. We'll get this process going. All right, guys, so it's real simple. Like I said, it's a boxed dinner. You guys have seen it before. I'm not advertising for any specific purpose here, but this is the old Paso. We've all seen it. It's very good. I've done this before many times. You want a quick meal, you want some tacos, you want to put some extra meat in the tacos like you don't get at the taco places when you buy tacos from certain places. But anyway, so that's what it's going to be. And contained within the package, obviously, are the shells that we're going to be putting these things in. I've got some sour cream that I'm going to be using as well on top of them, along with some shredded cheese. I don't have that in front of me, but I'll be putting some shredded cheese on them as well. I've got a pound of ground beef here. This is about 80-20 ground beef. Any excess fat, and there might be, I'll drain it off as I brown that meat off. I've got half a head of lettuce here. I don't know how much of that I'll use. Maybe all of it, maybe not. I've got a Roma tomato. I like Roma tomatoes because they're firmer, and I'm going to be dicing that up real fine and shredding my lettuce here. I'll be using, obviously, the packets that came with the box of Old El Paso shells, and I won't be using this. This is the sauce, I guess. Taco sauce, it says, yes. I've got a couple of these here that I'll be using. These are a little more flavorful, I think. And I've got my choice of a hot one and a mild one, and I typically mix the two, and pretty good flavor, okay? So I'll be using that when my tacos are ready. But cheese, which I'll have here too, it's in the refrigerator. I think that's about all I need to tell you. I'm almost done making this meal. That's how fast it is. But we're going to go ahead and brown this off. I got my heat over here at a medium-high temperature right now. So we're going to get that ground beef cooked off, and I'll be back with you as I get this stuff diced up and start putting this stuff together. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you my meat's on about medium-high. Not about, it is medium-high, and it's cooking, looking pretty good. Just wanted to show you that. Looking pretty good. There's no big deal right now. I haven't put any seasoning at all on it, and I'll just be using that seasoning packet that I showed you, okay? I'm just following the directions on the box. I want to cook that meat done, guys. We don't want no red meat in the tacos. Or pink meat, medium rare, and all that sort of stuff. Cook it done, okay? Again, I'm following the recipe on the box. I'm shaking my mix here. Meat's all done, guys. Not pink. Cook that meat done. There's a little bit of fat in there, but you know, fat's not the worst thing in the world, and there's not an excessive amount, so I'm going to use all of that in there. And I think it calls for a 2/3 cup of water, which is going to go in there once I get this all blended, okay? And then it'll cook down a little bit, and it'll thicken, and that's what we're after right here. I'm going to put my water in here now, guys, as I indicated, and it is just a 2/3 cup of water, as the recipe calls for, or the instructions on the box, and I'm going to let it simmer while I'm doing this number right here, okay? All right, guys, we're going to just let this simmer just like the box told us to, and I don't know that you guys have tried this or not, but they're quite tasty, actually. They are, and it's very quick. It's a quick meal. The box also says you can put the shells in the oven. I'm going to just pop them in the microwave for about 40 seconds, and that'll make them nice and hot. So let's just go ahead and let that simmer. And it's bubbling. I'm going to turn it down a little bit here. And I'm going to go over here now and dice up my tomato and shred my lettuce. All right, guys, we're going to take our little Roma tomato here. I got a paring knife. I don't know why I got this bony knife in my hand here. We're going to take this little core out of this little tomato here. Right out of the center. You guys know how to do that. All right. There it is. There it is. All right. I'm going to cut cut it in half here. I'm going to cut it again like this. Take my glasses off again so I can see. Okay, and I'm just going to go like that. I'll do the same with this one. That's like that. Not all the way through, guys. Just like that. That's how Cooking with Pouncy's is going to do it. And then I'm going to come here this way. I think you can see that, guys. And we're going to go like this. And again. And you know what I'm after. I'm after my little dice, and that's what's going to happen when I go like that, right? And it's looking good. I'll put that one aside for now. Again. I feel like a surgeon, tomato surgeon or something. No, I don't. Just kidding. There it is, guys. That's that. And I'll just get my dice here. Again, I like the aroma tomatoes because they're firmer. And they don't get all squishy if they get overripe, obviously. But that's a nice dice there, guys. Huh? I'll use that if I want to, but I don't need to if I don't have to, okay? Nice little dice. Nice little dice, guys. I have not forgotten our meat that's simmering behind us here. Let's just cut that up a little bit there too here. Cool. How about this one? I don't want to waste that if we don't have to. Okay. Now we're going to take this and put it on our platter here. And it's all ready for the taco bowls. I don't know, that's too juicy for me. I don't want to do that. Use that one. So that's that part of it. I'm going to get this lettuce cut up. That's a half a head, and I'm just going to shred some of it, okay? That's all you want to do is shred some of it. Just like that. I'm guesstimating about how much, that's a new word I think, how much I'm going to use, okay? And that's about enough for now. All right, and here's what I did with it. It's like that. Okay, we're going to put that right here. And I did get my cheese. My cheese is like right here, over here. And it's just mild cheddar. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. And I got my sour cream. I'm going to take another look at my meat over here. These are going to go in the microwave for about 40 seconds, I think. And one of the other things you can do with these things as well is break those shells up, crush them up, if you will, and make a salad out of them at another point in time. I've done that before too. And you can certainly do that as well. Let's get this cleaned up a little bit. Meat in each one of them. And don't try to control them because they have a mind of their own, like where they want to fall. I don't really worry about it because it's all going to get mixed up here together at the end of the day, or the end of the process, if you will. Okay, guys, this is it. These are scrumptious looking. I don't know whatever that means. there they are, guys. We're going to have these for supper tonight. And again, thank you so much, guys, for tuning into my channel, Cooking with Pouncy. If you like what you see, please, I would really appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to my channel. And let me know what you think as well, and pass this on as you see fit. We're going to enjoy this meal tonight. Certainly hope you do if you decide to make it for yourself and your family again, guys. We'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Good night.